Hello, a group of security researchers has found a way to exploit a critical flaw in PaperCut servers. Previously, the flaw was disclosed by vulnCheck. Now, vulnCheck has published a proof-of-concept exploit that sidesteps existing detection signatures by leveraging the fact that PaperCut NG and MF offer multiple paths to code execution. The exploit relies on the auth program set as /user/sbin/python3 for Linux and C:\bar. It allows an administrative user to gain remote code execution over these two servers without detection signals.Cybersecurity researchers have found a means to exploit this recently disclosed critical flaw. Since then, the vulnerability has been weaponized by many threat groups, including ransomware actors. Now vulnCheck has published a proof, oftentimes very effective PUC exploit that uses the ability to execute arbitrary code across multiple pathways to gain unauthorized code execution. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.